見えてます？
はい、見えてます。
あ、見えてますよ。はい。
あ、これ。Finally.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Mitsutoshi Taniguchi.
I'm Beth.
Yes, I know.
Beth.
Yeah.
And my name is Saki Uchizawa.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Meet you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Ryota Taniguchi.
Oh, Nyota.
Oh,
Nice
hi.
to meet you.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you too.
Yes, yeah.
Mitsutoshi's son.
Hi.
Nice to see the sun.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, Mio-san. Mio-san.
はい。
No see.
あ、本当だね。Long time no see. It's been more than 10 years. Not 10 years. Nearly 10 years.
Yeah, nearly 10 years. So now you have 3 children, huh?
Yes.
Very nice. Oh.
Life changed.
I can see this bicycle, huh? You front of, yeah.
Hi. Yes.
Yeah. So this,
Yes.
you sent a lot of letter to Japanese embassy.
Yes.
Yeah. You want to learn Japanese massage?
Yes.
Why do you want to study Japanese massage?
Because it's the best massage.
Oh, really?
The world.
Right.
It's the best, and the way your style is very different from the way we do it, and most people prefer it. People come asking for that massage.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. Especially, I told you, KEIRAKU massage is best in the world.
It's the best, yes, and we feel very privileged, and we really appreciate that you have committed your time to teach us.
Oh,
We really appreciate.
wow, very nice. And then
Yes.
you still have a very nice teacher with your side.
Yes.
No.
She has been helping me.
Yeah,
she's very good.
Okay.
With this text.
She has not forgotten what you taught her.
Okay. So now, so we still have maybe 15 minutes.
Yes.
Only.
So could you show us your massage? Can you?
Yes.
Tell?
We can go there.
The way we do massage, our own massage.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. You
He said that
learn and you memorize.
Some.
Some.
And I can show you what I remember.
Yes.
What I know.
Yes.
Does he want me to show?
Yes.
Our massage.
Okay, I will ask him. 先生、まだ覚えてないそうなんですけど。
はい。まずじゃあベスのマッサージをちょっとやってもらってください。
Can we bring this one to the room?
Yes. Ask him if he wants because.
Can you help? Call everyone. Okay. Better network. Okay.
Your restaurant?
あ、すみません。レストランに移動したら Wi-Fi が悪くなってしまったんで、こっちに今移動です。で、彼女まだ覚えてないところがあるんですけど、彼女のスタイルでお見せしたらいいですか？それとも、
まず彼女で見せてもらって。
はい。Yeah, you can show him. But we have only 15 minutes.
He wants his massage.
His massage.
Let me show him what I.
Yes, what do you learn? これが彼女のベッドです。
Very nice.
これはいい方のベッドなんですけど、こんなベッドを10台ぐらい持ってます。
すごい。
すごいね。これはどこで買ったのかな？
Where did you buy this one?
The bed?
Bed.
Yeah, someone I brought it for me from
US.
Someone, that's the way I do massages for them and I pay with massage.
Okay.
For my client.
Your client.
Yeah, so I pay
I see. 患者さんがこれをアメリカから持ってきて、で彼女が無料マッサージをしてこのお金を稼いだそうです。で、彼は、so he's a blind therapist called Noel. He will be the patient today. And the best